Alright guys, it's the battle of the cheap wire ties versus the expensive wire ties. I get these at Home Depot. I think I paid $53 last time for 800 count. I just got this 250 pack for $8 at Walmart. So less than half, about half the cost. Okay, the Walmart ones, 200. Sorry, I'm reading the wrong thing. Up to 75 pounds. The Home Depot ones, 75 pounds. Let's start with the let's start with the more expensive one. Let's start with the Home Depot. We're going to use my weights over here. We're going to start with I don't know, I think this is 10 pounds without any of the plates on, and then each of these are 5-ish, I think, something like that. Let's see which one stands the test. What do you think? Cheap, expensive? Let's find out. Like I said, we'll do the expensive ones first. All right, so if you look at the dial on these, where is it? Right there. Focus, focus. Let's all focus here. That's 10 pounds. Why is that not focusing? I don't know. Stupid phone. Anyway, there's your expensive ones. There's 10 pounds. Let's put a 5-pound plate on there. See what happens. Okay, one more plate on there. There's 15 pounds. Let's keep going. All right, so far, Home Depot's doing good. That's 10, 15, 20 pounds. Let's put one up here and let's see what 25 pounds does. It says 75 pounds, right? I don't know if that means weight or tensile strength. I have no idea, but let's go up to 25. Okay, there's 25. So you get the 10, 15, 20, 25. You know, this part here is 10. So 10, 15, 20, 25. Still doesn't seem like they're even close to being broken. So let's go up again. All right, there's 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's keep going. Okay, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I laid some clothes underneath it so when it drops, it doesn't break anything. I don't know if these things will snap, shatter or whatever. They're not that high up, but you know, let's go to 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Let's go to 45. It says these will do 75 pounds. I don't know what that means, but you know, this will at least tell us which ones are stronger. Let's keep going. Okay, 45 did it. Snapped it right off. Let's do the Walmart El Cheapos. All right, so the Home Depot expensive wire ties broke at 45. We're at 10 here. I'm not going to waste your time and put every plate on this. Let's go up to 30 and we'll start there with this guy. Okay, there's 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now I will say it, this seems a little more flimsy, so let's be very careful with these last 10 to 15. I don't know if these cheaper ones are going to stand up, but they're wire ties. I don't use them for anything heavy. I just wanted to show you guys the difference in the cost. You know, why you probably should spend more if you're doing something that needs to hold weight, but if you're not, if you're just wire tying wires, you know, and bundling stuff up, I'm sure these Walmart ones are fine. Why pay more, huh? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Got 10 more pounds to match the expensive ones from Home Depot. There's 40, and I tell you, it almost felt like that was going to snap. Whew! Here we go. Walmart's holding 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. If I can put one more plate on here and it holds, cheapies for the win. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 20 on this side. We got 15 pounds on the El Cheapo Walmarts. Can we do 55? Let's find out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. I got one more plate I can put on here to make it 60. But as we can see, the cheapy Walmart wire ties kick Home Depot's ass. There's all 60 pounds, guys. I won't count it out for you this time. Walmart's holding at 60 pounds. Home Depot was down there at 45. Yeah. Let me see if I can put some other little weight on this to give it a little more weight and see if we can get it to fall. Okay, guys, for lack of a better thing to find to put on here, I just threw the full, the 2 Walmart black and white wire tie things I got. That adds a couple more pounds to it, and it's holding strong, no problem. The winner is obviously the Walmart wire ties. And the Home Depot ones are down there where they belong. Thanks for watching, guys.